Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Spotify login error 409. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, close Spotify completely on your device and make sure it is not running in the background. On Windows, open Task Manager and end any Spotify processes you see. On Mac, open Activity Monitor and force quit Spotify if it is still active. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary connection problems. Check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Turn off any VPN or proxy because it can trigger Spotify error 409 during login. If you use a corporate or school network, try logging in from a different network. Open your browser and sign in at accounts. Spotify.com to confirm your username and password are correct. If you cannot sign in there, use the password reset option and create a new password. Go back to the Spotify app and carefully type the updated password again. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Spotify, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstalling the app is the way to clear data, so continue to the next step. Uninstall Spotify from your device to remove corrupted files that can cause error 409. Reinstall Spotify from the official Microsoft Store, Mac App Store, Google Play, or Apple App Store. Open Spotify and try logging in before changing any other settings. If the error continues, update your device operating system to the latest available version. Also update Spotify to the newest version because old builds may fail to authenticate. On Windows, open Control Panel, go to Date and Time, and enable Automatic Time and Time Zone. On Mac, open System Settings, Date and Time, and set time automatically. Incorrect time settings can block secure login requests and lead to error 409. Disable third-party antivirus web protection briefly and test login again. If login works, add Spotify to the antivirus or firewall allowed list and re-enable protection. On Windows Firewall, allow Spotify.exe for both private and public networks. If you use Spotify Connect on multiple devices, sign out everywhere from your Spotify account page. Then wait 2 minutes and sign in again on only one device first. If you still cannot log in, try using the login without password email link option if available. As another quick fix, log in using a different method like Google, Apple, or Facebook if your account supports it. If none of these steps work, contact Spotify support and mention login error 409 with your device details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.